In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Aldo discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Aldo discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 20% discount. Select this button where it says show coupon code, and this is the promo code that you can copy, and you can use this one to get a 20% discount of your order. Also, going back to the main search, you have this website which is called Simply Codes, and right here we have a list with other deals that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say that you want to get this one right here with a 15% discount. All you have to do is just select the button where it says get deal, and for this one there is no code required, so go to this button where it says get the offer, and after that you'll be redirected to their website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.